Welcome to my channel. The new BMW 7 Series sedan has been unveiled. This large luxury sedan has been redesigned both inside and out, and now features more powerful engines. The 2026 BMW 7 Series stands out externally, first and foremost, due to its new front end. Its grille is different, yet remains massive and features LED lighting. Thinner two-tier headlights and a more aggressive bumper have also been installed. The taillights have been updated at the rear. The interior of the BMW 7 Series is essentially all new. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel.